Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google Keep offline step by step. This is the full guide for 2026, so let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to Keep Google.com. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Once Google Keep opens, create a new note by clicking Take a Note. Enter a title and write some text in the note. Click outside the note, and it will be saved automatically. Now let's make sure Google Keep can work offline. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner and open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then open Site Settings. After that, open Additional Content Settings, and then On-Device Site Data. Make sure sites can save data on your device is enabled. Now go back to Keep Google.com. Turn off your internet connection by disconnecting Wi-Fi or unplugging your network cable. Refresh the Google Keep page. You'll notice that the notes you already opened are still available. You can open a note, edit the text, and even create a new note while you're offline. Any changes you make will be stored on your computer temporarily. Google Keep keeps those changes locally until your internet connection is available again. Now turn your internet connection back on and refresh the page. Google Keep will automatically sync all your offline changes with your Google account. The updated notes will also appear on your other devices, including Android phones, iPhones, tablets, and other computers. Using Google Keep offline is very useful when you're traveling, working without Wi-Fi, or experiencing internet problems. That's how to use Google Keep offline in 2026. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and check out my other Google Keep tutorials. See you in the next video.